Hello, 7th grade. Today we're going to be discussing the problem-solving process here in computer science. We went over this a little bit before, but we're going to go a little bit more in-depth today. Okay? So as you can see, the problem-solving process is a circle. It's going to be very important to remember for today, in a circle. So your essential question for today, the big idea that I need you to get from this is, how do we solve problems? How do we go about doing that? The first step in the problem-solving process is define. Define simply means figuring out what the problem is. What problem are you facing? What is stopping you from getting where you want to be? We also need to figure out why you're doing it. How do you know when you are done and how you did it right? The second step is prepare. Once you know exactly what you need to do and what the problem is, you need to get ready to do it. So you need to think about possible solutions, compare them, and make a plan out of them. Once you make a plan and you are prepared, you move on to the next step, which is trying. Simple as that. You put your plan into action. You test it. You see if it works. After you're done trying, you move on to the reflect stage, which is the last part. You look back and you say, did I like that? Did it do what I wanted it to? Did I reach my goal? And what can I learn from this and do better next time? And finally, are there any new problems? As I said, the problem-solving process goes in a circle. You go from step 1, define, step 2, prepare, step 3, try, and step 4 is reflect. Once you're done reflecting, you sometimes have to go back to define and do it all over again to see what you can do. So let's put this into action. Today you're going to be challenged with getting across a bridge while zombies are chasing you. Check this video.
Taking that internship in a remote mountain lab might not have been the best idea. Pulling that lever with the skull symbol just to see what it did probably wasn't so smart either. But now is not the time for regrets, because you need to get away from these mutant zombies fast. With you are the janitor, the lab assistant, and the old professor. You've gotten a head start, but there's only one way to safety. Across an old rope bridge spanning a massive gorge. You can dash across in a minute, while the lab assistant takes 2 minutes. The janitor is a bit slower and needs 5 minutes, and the professor takes a whole 10 minutes, holding onto the ropes every step of the way. By the professor's calculations, the zombies will catch up to you in just over 17 minutes. So you only have that much time to get everyone across and cut the ropes. Unfortunately, the bridge can only hold 2 people at a time. To make matters worse, it's so dark out that you can barely see, and the old lantern you grabbed on your way only illuminates a tiny area. Can you figure out a way to have everyone escape in time? Remember, no more than 2 people can cross the bridge together. Anyone crossing must either hold the lantern or stay right next to it, and any of you can safely wait in the dark on either side of the gorge. Most importantly, everyone must be safely across before the zombies arrive. Otherwise, the first zombie could step on the bridge while people are still on it. Finally, there are no tricks to use here. You can't swing across, use the bridge as a raft, or befriend the zombies.
Alright, now that you've seen the video and you've seen what exactly you have to do, let's review the rules. So you're going to use the problem-solving process to get all of the people across the bridge. Remember, only 2 people can cross the bridge together. If you have 3, the bridge will fall. Anyone crossing the bridge must hold the light or stay close to it. People can wait in the dark on both sides of the bridge. Everyone must be across the bridge before the zombies arrive. If you don't, the bridge will fall with the zombies on it. Finally, no tricks can be used, including carrying someone on the back, swinging or flying across the bridge, using the bridge as a raft, or becoming friends with the zombies or fight them off. Finally, remember that you only have 17 minutes to get everyone across the bridge before those zombies come and get you. The lab assistant needs 2 minutes, you need 1 minute, the janitor needs 5 minutes, and the professor needs 10 minutes. If you notice, that's a total of 10, 15, 16, 18 minutes. So you need to figure out a way to get everyone across safely before the zombies get there. Good luck, and don't forget to use the problem-solving process.